In front of me is a MEDION E5005, and today I will show you how to set up portable hotspot. So jumping straight to it, you want to pull down the notification panel, like so, and you should find somewhere hotspot. I guess it's not here, so let's go through settings. And try not to click on every random thing. So settings. From here we're gonna go into more. And then you will see tethering and portable hotspot, so just tap on it. Then Wi-Fi hotspot. And here you can enable it at the top. But before you do, you might want to change something like password. So right here when you tap on set up Wi-Fi hotspot, you'll see the network name. You can keep that, change it, doesn't really matter, but probably the more important one is the password. So you might want to change this to something that will be a little bit more easy to remember and put in. So for instance, I'm gonna set up some fairly simple password, like so. Now it has to be 8 digits long, as you can see. And now if I would enable, I would connect to the name of B5060, and the password would be basically 1 through 8. And yeah, that's basically how you can set up and enable the Wi-Fi hotspot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.